brand new 2023 Range Rover Sport with a Starline Pro by us at Immobiliser Fit. So a thief gets the key or the vehicle's remote started, it's running, they try and attack it, select a gear, you'll see it cut out. There you go, the car dies. So for the customer, they can either pair a phone up or use a push sequence. So if their phone's in the vehicle, they can start it up, it will simply start straight away. If their phone's not here, go for a push sequence of their choosing. 1, 2, 3 we have set. Here our melody. Select the gear, vehicle remains running. If they're not a fan of the push sequence, so think it's quite long, want something to be a little bit simpler, turn the Bluetooth on the connected phone. Now next time they get in the vehicle and start it up, we hear our melody straight away and we can drive. Proves that we're in range and the system's disarmed. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro on a 2023 Range Rover Sport. Thanks for watching.